Okay, so yesterday we have seen two shlokas. One was Nana Chidra is over, then Deham Pranam api Indriyani. So people will tell that body, prana, indriya, everything is Brahman only, they are separate. Then how can you say that in that way? The concepts they have asked, all the answers are given through the shloka. So because of Maya, it is we are seeing that different, but actually only single one is handling the whole other aspects. And then after that we have seen Rahu Grasta. Then in Sushupti time, who is there? Who is a Sakshi in that? Who is Sakshi in that previous this one? What? Yeah, previous Jagrata Avastha and Swapna Avastha and Sushupti Avastha. So who is the one? Chaitanya. So but we call him in different names. Like Jagrata will be Vaishwanara, and then Swapna will be Taijasa, and then Sushupti will be Prajna. Yes, Prajna. Sushupti will be Prajna. And then the ultimate one. So that even in this Sushupti state also, there is a light, thin layer of Maya will be remaining. That's the reason we are not able to see Atman or mingle with Atman so easily, because Maya's thin layer is still there. How it is? Like an eclipse. How we cannot see sun's or moon's existence in the eclipse, but we can find that sun is there or moon is there. The same way in Sushupti, like in that way Sushupti will be. We will reach him, we find his existence within us, but we don't understand that he is the Atman because of Maya's thin layer. So that part also we have seen. So today we are seeing the next part. Next. Yes, this is the shloka. We'll start with shloka. Okay. Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Tatha Sarvasvavasthasvapi Sarvasvavasthasvapi. When we are chanting, we should not separate it. Okay. Sarvasvavasthasvapi. One word. Okay. Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Tatha Jagradadishu Tatha Sarvasvavasthasvapi. Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Tatha Sarvasvavasthasvapi. Vyavrittasu Anuvartamanam Vyavrittasvanuvartamanam Vyavrittasvanuvartamanam Ahamityantaha Anuvartamanam Ahamityantaha Anuvartamanamahamittyantaha Vyavrittasvanuvartamanamahamittyantaha Sphurantam sada Antasphurantam sada Ityantasphurantam sada Ityantasphurantam sada Ahamityantasphurantam sada Vyavrittasvanuvartamanamahamittyantasphurantam sada Ahamityantasphurantam sada Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Tatha Sarvasvavasthasvapi Vyavrittasvanuvartamanamahamittyantasphurantam sada Jagradadishu Tatha Sarvasvavasthasvapi व्यावृत्ता स्वनुवर्तमानमहमित्यन्तस्फुरन्तं सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यः स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यः मुद्रया भद्रया स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यो मुद्रया भद्रया बाल्यादिष्वपि जाग्रदादिषु तथा सर्वास्वस्थास्वपि व्यावृत्तास्वनुवर्तमानमहमित्यन्तस्फुरन्तं सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यो मुद्रया भद्रया तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। Okay, next. Balyadishu api. Balyadishu. What does it mean? Childhood. Balya adi. Adi means etc. What does etc. mean? Balya, Yavana, Madhyavayaska, Vriddhavastha, all the avasthas which will happen to the body. So a baby, it will grow up, become a small boy, a kid, then a boy, then he will grow up, he will go to 10th grade, then 12th grade, like that he will finish his master's, PhD, he'll get married. That moment, what will happen? The Madhyavayaska age will be there. Then later he will grow still more, then he will become old. So these are all avasthas, the stages of body. One by one, one by one, one by one, what will happen? Okay, what I do there, I think I am young, I am old. As we discussed in the beginning shlokas, after 20 years I cannot say that after seeing my previous photo, yeah, I was like this, I can say. No, in balya avastha, when I was studying 5th grade, the same I is still here, right? But body is growing, that's all. But the I, that I concept, that is still there. It's not different. So in my 5th grade, someone was studying in that school, and now someone else, I cannot say like that. Both also same only, right? The same body is addressed by aham, even if the age is different or the stage is different, right? Then jagradadishu. Jagrat, that's what. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. In awakened state, I am only seeing, reading, everything I am doing. In Swapna, I am only dreaming. In Sushupti, I only was there in Sushupti. I only was there in deep sleep. So in these three stages also, I only was there. It's not in this awakened stage, someone else is there, and in my Swapna, someone else is there, and in Sushupti, someone else is enjoying. It is not like that. In these three stages, 4 stages also, the same person who is enjoying. Then tatha is like and. Sarvasu avasthasu api. Sarvasu means other, yeah, other, all other avasthasu. Apart from these two, all other avasthas, whatever you take. For example, Shravana, it's an avastha. Then Drishtihi, so that is a different avastha. Okay, then this one Granam, that is different. So through sense organs, whatever the feeling I'll get, that also is experienced by the same person. And Balyadishu, who is there, that I. Jagradadishu, the I, one who is there. And in the other avasthas, the I who is there. All, every I's are same only. There is no different thing. But we are finding different because of Maya again. Why? I am finding that I was not like this in my childhood. I was like that only, but my body was not like that. We don't say no. My hand was very small. I don't say like that. Or my body was very small in my first grade or second grade. I say generally I was very young. I was so short, and I was very lean, or I was fat. In that way we say. The same way in the dream. In dream I had gone to a place like that. Today someone was saying, in first year Vedic study boy, he was telling, morning I got I got a dream. In dream I saw you and you saw me. Okay, so what was that situation? Actually, someone else's name he said. Both of them were playing in IPL, it seems. Okay, I myself and Dhruva and me, we both of them had gone and asked him to stop playing. Come, we'll go back. Classes are there, and we too took some Pulsar Gilsar bikes and so all these things he's explaining. So ultimately, what is the thing? He cannot say someone else was dreaming. I was not dreaming, right? In the dreaming, that dream also is experienced by him only, like that. So in this dream state, in Sushupti state, and in Jagra state, in all these three stages also, the person is same. The I, that is same. And Shravana, I am only listening, I am only seeing, I am only smelling, I am only feeling the touch, everything. That I is same. In every avastha, whichever the avastha stage you take, in every avastha, I is same. And then that is first line meaning. Okay. Next, Vyavruttasu. Vyavrittam means what? Avritta is covered. Vyavritta means bhinna, different. As I said, Vyavrittasu anuvartamanam. Next, Vyavrittasu anuvartamanam antaha. Next, ahamiti sadaspurantam. Yes, like this. In my balya, yavana, madhyavayaska, that stage. Then old age, vruddha, vruddhapya, whatever you call. And then same jagrat, swapna, sushupti, and then shravana. That I'll tell. In that Shravana, Manana, Shravana or Manana, whatever you take, in those stages, in these 10, 15, 16, whichever the stages you take, these are all different, right? Balya is different than Balya and Yavana, both also differs, isn't it so? The same way. That is what Vyavritti. Vyavritti is separation between the stages, between the avasthas. Who is Anuvartamanam there? One who continuously he shows his existence. For example, you take a garland. In the garland, in the beginning, you put 2 roses, then some jasmines, then some whatever hibiscus, something, some flowers, different color you use. But who is common in that garland? Thread is common. So the same way, Balya, Yavana, Vruddha, and then this, Shravana, Manana, then Jagrat, Swapna, all are different flowers. But who is Anuvartamanam? Anusyutam, one who is continuously existed throughout these avasthas. That is Atman. Anuvartamanam is continuously shows his existence. Anuvartamanam, who is that? Sada antaha. Antaha means inside us. Antaha spurantam, spurana, chaitanya. Antaha sada spurana will happen. He shows his existence for every moment. Sada spurantam. Next. Yaha. Next. Swatmanam. Bhadraya, mudraya. Bhajatam prakuti karoti. Yeah. Who is that spuranta? That Spurantam is Chaitanya, he is Parameshwara, we accepted, right? In the beginning shloka only, Tasmai, connected. That Spurantam, Yaha, Swatmanam, Prakatikar. Yaha is, that's what, Yaha means not someone else, the same Paramatma, Parameshwara only. Swatmanam Prakatikaroti. He will show, he appears himself to the sadhaka. One who tries to go to him, he shows himself, he appears inside him. Okay, it's not like separately he is going to appear inside him. He shows himself, he shows his existence. See, now generally what we are talking, whenever we talk or do something, that moment we don't feel that someone else is there inside, or I'm different than the person, the thing, what is there inside. That consciousness and me, myself, both are different. We don't see that one. We don't think. But he makes us to go to that knowledge always. How he makes that? Mudraya, Bhadraya. Bhadraya means, Bhadra is, it's Mangalam, Shubham in that way. Like a good way. It's like auspicious. What Bhadra means? Auspiciously. Mudraya, with his mudra, chin mudra, whatever we have explained in the beginning. Like that, he appears inside every single living being, every single individual. He shows his existence. He makes the sadhaka clear. There is no difference between Parameshwara and the sadhaka. That is the meaning of this line. So Tasmai, who makes that? To him, Parameshwara, Tasmai, to him, Gurumurtaye, he is the Gurumurti, he is the Dakshinamurti. So to him, I'll do my salutes, I'll do my pranams. That is the meaning. Got it? Next. Yeah, everywhere, every time. See this one. Okay, from young age to the old age, hair, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, everything is everything will get a different shapes. But the who is there? The Chaitanya inside, that is same. See, it's very simple. In your 10th grade, you would be liking a player, you would be liking a movie star. This time also you would be liking the same person, but your body is different. You are now in degree. That time you are in 10th grade, but both the times almost your likes, dislikes are almost same, 80 to 90%, isn't it so? Like that. Okay, next. Okay, he is in Sushupti. Okay, next. Yeah, see why I put this one. This shows this one, the stages of body. These both pictures show that, yeah, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, Murcha. I want to difference. Murcha is an avastha. We know that, no, Murcha. Murcha, that is different. It's not Jagrat. It is not Swapna. It is not Sushupti also. It is a different state. In that also he continues. The same Atman. Murcha is unconscious. That doesn't mean conscious won't be there. Conscious will be there. But it's different than Sushupti also. Unconscious. And yeah, Janma, Marana, whatever. Janma, Marana. Let us think. Before getting birth and after the death, what kind of state? That is also a stage only. That is also a, like Jagra Swapna will be there. Same as it's also an avastha. Next. So Darshana, Shravana of these things are other things like Bhoktritva, Aham Bhokta, I am the eater, I am the Karta, I am the creator. In that way, all these are avasthas only, but different aspects. That's all. Here you can see it's a plant, a seed, okay, sprouting. Here something is there, the Chaitanya, that's Purana. He will be always there. Okay, next. And here is a small chick. Here inside also the same Chaitanya will be there. Okay, then yeah, everywhere we are seeing all the creatures are in a different way. So, see, something is, it cannot move. Okay, something can fly, something can eat something else, something, its lifestyle is different, and some insects. Okay, everywhere the same Chaitanya is Anusyuta. You had seen, no, that the sun was blinking over here. So that is how that Chaitanya Spurana, that Spuranam or that Chaitanyam, continuously he will be there in every single living and non-living being. Chara Chara, Chara and Achara, in the both states, both ways he'll show his existence. That's what Vyavrittasu Anuvartamanam. This is Vyavartate, Satyam Kalu. Vrikshaha Pranibhyaha Vyavartate. Bhinnam ityarthaha Vyavartanam ityasya. Got it? It's a different. Next. Here one question. Does the eye change according to time? No. Does the eye change according to time? No. Next. Aham jataha. Next. Aham jataha. Next. Aham shishuhu. Aham balaha. Aham kumaraha. Okay, then Aham yuvakaha. Then Aham karmikaha, which means karma karaha. Karmika doesn't mean labor, okay, a worker. Aham shriman, aham dhani, whatever you take, I'm rich in that way. Aham vivahitaha. Next. Aham vruddhaha. Okay, then aham kshinaha. Then aham ritaha. There is no, there is no experience, verbal experiences. Aham ritaha and aham jataha. But that experience will be there with every eye. Okay, so that is how it is. So it might change, the stages will change, but eye remains same as it is constantly. Next, this is the Anvaya. Balyadishu, Jagradadishu, Tatha Sarvasu Avasthasu, Vyavrittasu, differs in that Anuvartamanam, continuously will move. Antaha ahamiti sarvada spurantam, and inside us sarvada spurantam, always he'll show his existence. Yaha swatmanameva bhadraya mudraya. Swatmanam, his self it is. Inside this body, some spurana, some Chaitanya is there. That same Chaitanya is that Parameshwara. How Parameshwara and this Jiva is connected is also explained in the next shlokas. Okay, we'll see that one. But now, as of now, Jiva and that Paramatma, both also same only, is the concept. So for them, he will prakati karoti, he will show. Yaha aham suptaha jagarmi. I was sleeping, I'll get up. Sukham aham aswapsvam. So I slept very nicely. It was a good sleep. Ityatra, in this state, yaha suptaha, one who was sleeping, the same person uttitaha, the same one got up. It's not the new one. Okay. The same way, just imagine, just take this to Marana also. One person will die. Okay. After some 2-3 days, some other body he'll get. That Shishu doesn't think the same person, I was died, now I got up. I mean, I'm getting new birth. That thinking won't be there because of karma. We don't have that knowledge actually. But for us, when you sleep, after getting up from Sushupti, I was sleeping, now I got up. So who was sleeping, the same person is getting up. Some new Atman hasn't come and entered in the body, isn't it so? Next. Yaha aham balaha yuva vayaskaha cha abhuvam saha eva aham idanim vruddhaha asmi iti balyadishu api anuvartate. Yeah. The person same, I was very young, I was a boy, I was a kid, whatever, I was a child. So now I have grown up. The same feeling will be there throughout our avasthas, including whenever we will become old. That time also our concept of Atman or self will be same. Next. Darshana Shravanadishu Vyavrutteshu Indriyeshu cha anuvartate, Raga Dveshadishu cha anuvartate, Saha eva Atma. Raga, like, dislike, in every single thing, he will be there. Continuously, he will be moving. This is the Shruti. I will read it, try to understand it. Tamva etam atmanam, this atmanam, jagrati, in awakened stage, jagrati, aswapnam asushuptam. When we are there in Jagrat stage, he is not sleeping or he is not in Sushupti stage. The same way, swapne, in our dream state, ajagrata, he is not in that Jagrat stage, is not there. That Jagrat, awareness, that is not there. Then asushuptam, Sushupti is also not there. And in Sushupti, when we are there in Sushupti state, Jagrat also not there, Swapna is also not there. Then Turiyetu, in that Turiya, the ultimate stage, in that Turiya stage, Jagratam, not awaken. Aswapnam, not in dream stage. Asushuptam, not in deep sleep stage. And Avyabhicharinam. Avyabhicharinam means what? He doesn't change himself. That's what Avyabhichar. Nityam Ananda Sadaikarasam. Only Ananda in Turiya stage, only Ananda. He eva chakshusho drishta, shrotrasya drishta, vacho drishta, manaso drishta, buddhe drishta, pranasya drishta, tamaso drishta, sarvasya drishta. He is the one. He will be having the knowledge of every single thing, from our body to the super consciousness. Every single knowledge he will be having. That is the idea. Okay. Next. For that, some Shruti, some Veda sentence, Upanishad sentences are explained here. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, Vijnanam Anandam Brahma, Tam Swatmanam Brahma Abhinnam iti yavat. Tam Swatmanam eva, Swatmanam Atma Abhinnam. Paramatma and Swatma. There is no difference between these two. Both also same only. There is no thinking of two. That is the meaning. Okay. This is the idea of this shloka. Okay, understood? Yes. Next, once we'll go back to the shloka, read and we'll all together. Let us read once. Balya sarvasvavasthasvapi vyavrittasvanuvartamanam ahamityantasphurantam sada swatmanam prakati karoti bhajata yo mudraya bhadraya tasmai shri namaidam murtaye. Next. So this is the idea behind that shloka.